If you have not you think your line is crossing, you can keep scale also. That is also a very easy method. This way. And then we left only the wings. And this way your seventh class helicopter topic is complete. You do it. Thanks.